Bullish NEM cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 31 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept XEM could reach 14 cents by 2025. Bearish NEM market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. NEM presentation. The NEM blockchain has been around some time before the crypto frenzy began, and the XEM token is viewed as a veteran digital money among specialists. NEM has an exceptional use case and is in fact unique in relation to non-exclusive blockchains, which is important for the motivation behind why financial backers from one side of the planet to the other are keen on the XEM token. Assuming that you're keen on finding out about future NEM cost forecasts, you're perfectly positioned. In this video, we've summed up NEM cost forecasts, complete from NEM value today to average cost, past execution, normal exchanging esteem, current cost, market cap, least value worth, and greatest cost. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is NEM a wise venture for what's in store? We should figure it out. What is NEM? NEM represents new economy development and is a biological system and blockchain convention worked by a Singaporean non-benefit association called the NEM Establishment. NEM began as a fork-out rendition of NXT, a well-known blockchain-based cash and installment network stage. It advanced in 2015 to become NEM, fostering its own codebase to make NEM quicker and more adaptable. Thus, the NEM cryptographic money stage was made, which was totally remarkable from the first NT it originated from. The vision behind NEM was expressly to offer a smoothed-out answer for associations that wish to use public blockchain networks. NEM furnishes associations with the vital design to assemble custom venture blockchain arrangements, regardless of the fact that they are so new to the blockchain space. NEM is a two-layer convention fabricated utilizing the Endeavor accommodating Java programming language, close by other generally embraced ones. NEM's essential center is to address the numerous specialized and strategic obstacles ventures tackle while embracing blockchains, and its particular, proficient arrangements deserve areas of strength for it around the world, particularly in East Asia. The NEM blockchain stands apart due to its solid organization, which upholds the association in support of both private and public blockchains through an agreement system. NEM's not difficult to arrange framework, Open UI, and focused local area are effectively combining customary strategic policies with the creative universe of blockchain records and have gotten NEM a spot among the top blockchain conventions all over the planet. NEM Key Investigation. The NEM network stands apart on the grounds that it highlights usefulness that other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Litecoin need. It permits engineers to make custom tokens and empowers them to buy different conventions close by NEM. Beneath, we've assessed a portion of the NEM organization's top highlights. Speed. NEM's essential benefit over other shrewd agreement stages is network speed. It is prepared to do productively, clearing an expected 4,000 exchanges each second. More noteworthy productivity with a POI instrument. One of NEM's primary points is to construct a superior blockchain, and it accomplishes this by utilizing a proof of significance framework. Different organizations like Bitcoin utilize a POS or POW framework, where a mining gadget is expected to work for the blockchain, and rewards are dispersed in view of an excavator's work commitment. An issue with this framework is that diggers with high handling or registering power in POW enjoy an unnecessary upper hand over those with less strong machines, with the overabundance power utilization making the cycle energy wasteful. The POI component, notwithstanding, sufficiently handles this issue. It stresses how much is really put resources into the NEM network with a reasonable personal stake. The quantity of XEM coins in the wallet and the holding time frame assist with checking the significance of the speculation. Private to public blockchain communicating. NEM offers the capacity to consistently connect with private and public blockchain, given that elaborate gatherings concur. NEM empowers simple exchange of computerized resources from a confidential inside big business network by means of a public blockchain to one more confidential organization at the less than desirable end. NEM specialized investigation. Despite the fact that traders are not yet involving XEM for the purpose of installment, it has filled essentially in esteem throughout the long term. The XEM token works on the standards of being secure, lightweight, reasonable, and dealing with bound-together cycles, which surely separates it in the jam-packed cryptographic money market. As the XEM token has shown extraordinary value ups and downs since its establishment, an exceptionally precise NEM cost figure is unimaginable. Like some other cryptographic money, XEM's cost is administered by exchanging volume, market development, and numerous different variables. Notwithstanding, the future could hold huge development and worth appreciation for XEM. Late critical advancements have pushed NEM's cost on a vertical direction, and the estimated NEM value is by all accounts promising. With new organizations not too far off, NEM might come to the spotlight as a regarded digital currency with high investable potential. NEM current cost. NEM is at present worth 3 cents USD. XEM has moved 0.43% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,688,942. NEM is presently positioned 96 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $287,542,189 USD. NEM Value Expectation 2022. NEM, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The XEM cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 4 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headway. XEM is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. NEM Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, NEM XEM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XEM will before long outperform 8 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the XEM's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, XEM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 6 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 7 cents. NEM Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 11 cents and XEM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XEM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 10 cents and a low of 9 cents in 2024. NEM Value Expectation 2025. Assuming NEM effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the XEM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XEM will be green in 2025. The XEM is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 14 cents, with a base cost of 12 cents and a typical cost of 13 cents. NEM Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the XEM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 16 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 16 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, XEM has a most extreme value worth of 17 cents. NEM Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 20 cents. In the event that XEM figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 21 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help XEM needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 19 cents. NEM Value Expectation 2028. While XEM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 22 cents and